Hey, I'm Toby. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the ACT to create configurations for the Ixxat FRC-EP and the CANnector. This one. But first things first, what is the ACT and what is it used for? Our Ixxat FRC-EP and CANnector themselves are powerful hardware platforms with many interfaces and a lot of computational power. However, to suit your specific use case, it must be configured according to your requirements. This is where the ACT comes into play. No matter if you need to set up a simple gateway, a data logger, or a REST bus simulation with MATLAB models, the ACT lets you create any configuration from simple to complex in an intuitive way. And do you know what's the best part? There's no programming involved. The ACT only requires drag and drop configuration instead of complex programming or scripting. However, if you prefer programming, this is also possible with the built-in SDK that lets you write your own C code. In this video series, we want to explore the possibilities of the ACT, starting with the following topics: the software and project setup, bus configuration, creating mappings, different mapping types and properties, building the project, and downloading the configuration to hardware. So let's set up our software and learn how to utilize its full potential. Firstly, let's start with the ACT installation. It's a straightforward process. Simply follow the on-screen instructions on your computer and you'll have it up and running in no time. Now, as you proceed with the ACT installation, you'll notice that the IxAdmin Tool gets installed automatically. This is an essential tool for us. Why, you ask? Well, the IxAdmin Tool is our go-to for several tasks. First and foremost, it's crucial for firmware updates. Selection and downloading of already created configurations to set up the device. Need to set IP addresses? The IxAdmin Tool has got you covered. And lastly, for those who need to access or upload log files, this tool is your way to go. Talking about flashing the firmware of the CANnector or FRC, that's what we will do next. Let's begin by starting IxAdmin. You'll find the button on your desktop. Now you need to select your device. The IxAdmin scans for all the devices that are in the reachable IP address range. In our case, it's the CANnector. Once you've located it, give it a double click and then click in the top menu bar on Device and then select Flash Firmware. Alternatively, you can simply press the green button. A pop-up window will appear. On the left side of this window, you'll see an icon, Website. Clicking on this will redirect you to a website where you can download the necessary firmware. Alternatively, you can select your own firmware from your computer directory. Once you've done that, click OK. Then the flashing process will start. Note that this can take a few minutes until the firmware is completely flashed onto the device. With the IxAdmin, it's also possible to select an already created configuration and download it to the FRC or CANnector. Just click on the button, Add Remove Application, and select the path of the configuration file. Press Download, Start, and the configuration runs standalone on the device. Okay, that's it for the first part of the series. In the next video, we will show you a project setup and bus configuration in the ACT. Just click into the video here and you will get redirected to the next part. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.